What's going on, guys? It's Daniel Whitley here with Hunt Home Video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Euro mount in my garage. First, I'm going to go over a few things that you got to have to do this process. If you've been watching our videos, I just want to say thank you for supporting us. We really enjoy what we do, making these videos for you guys. Trying to upload more. It's kind of hard with some of our schedules, and you know, we do what we can. But let's look at a couple of these things you got to have. First, you're going to need a large pot just big enough to fit the skull in. Okay, and I got a little propane stove here that I bought from Atwood that will boil the water on, and I got a little system rigged up here in my garage to lower the skull to just the right height so the antlers don't rest on the sides here. Okay, need a large pot. You're gonna need some sort of dishwashing liquid. Okay, Dawn dish soap. I got some cheapy stuff here from the Dollar Tree. Got plastic wrap. We're gonna wrap the bases and a little bit of ways up the antlers, okay, to protect that during most of the process. Some electrical tape, any kind of tape. I used some painter's tape, okay, that wasn't very good. And I've been using flathead screwdriver to pick at the skull, okay, to get all the meat and stuff off. Some gloves. Want to make sure you're wearing gloves during most of this process. Baking soda and the Salon 40 volume cream. Okay, I ordered that off of Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description for that one. First, we need to fill the large pot full of water. And if you haven't done this already, make sure to wrap the antlers in plastic wrap and tape before placing your skull into the boiling pot. Which leads us right into step 3. If you haven't done this already, go ahead and start your stove and boil the water. Whenever the water starts to boil, go ahead and place your skull into the pot and wait about 45 minutes to an hour. Basically what I'm fixing to do is take this flathead and just scrape everything off of this skull. I'm not gonna really video all that. I don't have much battery, so I'm just gonna scrape this and I'll be back here. Alright, so it's almost been a week and I stopped picking at it. When this stuff hardens up, just take it back in there and boil it with some soap and water just like before. To degrease the skull, just dump out your old water, add warm water and more soap, and let it sit for 24 hours. All right, so it's the next day. It's been about 17, 18 hours or so. I haven't really done the math, but it's been sitting here just like this. You can already see it looks a lot smoother, cleaner, just sitting in there. Gonna take this thing out, possibly scrape a little bit more, and show you how I do the whitening process. For step 7, we're going to mix our 40 volume cream and our baking soda, 1 cup each. For step 8, we want to make sure to fully wrap those antlers again with plastic wrap or tin foil. You don't want any of the whitening cream to get on the antlers. Now, take your skull and place it in a trash bag in a dark area for around 12 to 24 hours. It's been well over 24 hours, so now time for the moment of truth. And here we are, just after rinsing it off. Skull looks really good. Gonna let it dry out for a little bit and she'll be done.